How many of you spend quality time stretching? Struggling with a tight lower back, whether you are doing sports, spending a lot of time on your PC or your laptop, driving in your car, or spending a lot of time on your feet, your hip flexors are going to need stretching. The hip flexors connects the top of the femur bone, which is the largest bone in the body, to the lower back, hips and groin. I'm going to show you a stretch that will help you loosen your hip flexors as well as your lower back. Keep the stretch for about 30 seconds per side and try to stretch them every day. Happy stretching. From this position, I'm going to need you to put your foot and toe into the wall with your right leg, depending on which one needs the stretch. You're going to stretch both sides, but start with the one side. Right side needs stretching, so your knee is going to push into the floor. You're going to bring your left leg up. As you come upright from this position, fire up your glute muscle, keep it tightened, and from this position, slowly come up, pushing your knee into the floor, keeping your hips forward so that you don't arch your lower back. You've got to come upright in a neutral position, keeping the buttocks tight, pushing your knee into the floor, firing up the quad, and just from this position, stretch the hip flexor right through. Keep it here for about 30 seconds, and then we turn around to the other side. Right, so remember, from this position, fire up the glute, come upright into a nice neutral position. And keep it there, keep it stretching. You'll feel the stretch in the lower back, but mostly in the tight hip flexors and the quad as well. Also, please remember, if you do have any questions about other stretches or the specific hip flexor stretches, then drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.